Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your screen in Microsoft Teams to make your presentations and collaborations much more effective. First, locate the Share button. Once you are in your Teams meeting, the sharing controls are located at the top of your call window. Look for the Share icon next to the Leave button. Clicking this icon will open the Share tray at the bottom of your screen. This is where you decide exactly what your audience is going to see. Next, choose your sharing mode. In 2026, Teams gives you several ways to display your content. You need to pick the one that best fits your privacy needs. Select either screen or window. Screen shares everything on your monitor. Use this if you need to switch between multiple apps. Window only shares one specific application. This is the safest option if you want to keep your desktop icons or private notifications hidden from the group. Lastly, include sound and present. If your presentation has a video or audio clip, you need to toggle one extra setting before you start. Switch the Include Computer Sound toggle to On at the top of the share tray. Once your settings are ready, click your chosen screen or window. A red border will appear around what you are sharing, letting you know exactly what your teammates can see. To stop sharing at any time, simply go back to the top menu and click the Stop Sharing icon. And that's all there is to it. To share your screen in Teams, click the Share icon at the top of your meeting window. Choose between sharing your entire screen or just a single window, and make sure to toggle Include Sound if you're playing media. Look for the red border to confirm you're live, and click Stop Sharing when you're done. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.